Carina is now the 11th facility we've opened in this great province for Silent-Aire and represents the largest manufacturing footprint in Silent-Aire Canada's history. It's also the first major expansion under Johnson Controls leadership in the Americas for the Silent-Aire brand, which is a true testament to our shared vision for the future.
We did our final testing and startups in March of this year with Intertech certification and our first completed unit, a major milestone. To where we stand today, celebrating our official grand opening with 225 plus employees.
I'm very excited to come and celebrate the opening of this facility. It's right at home in Nisku. Nisku does so much for the provincial economy. We're driving so much growth locally, and we see that all over our province, based out of right here in Nisku.
Remember, you are building something bigger than just what you see here. You are enabling the next generation of technological advancements that will completely transform healthcare and every industry. And it's going to happen right here in Alberta. So we're proud to be partners with you as a government, and we're proud to be leading the way in setting the stage to make Alberta the destination of choice for AI data centers.
Silent-Aire is the global provider of data center cooling. In Alberta alone, there's over 750,000 square feet of manufacturing across multiple facilities. And Alberta is our biggest footprint. It is where we have our largest amount of technology produced as well as manufacturing. And as you see today, we're committed to Alberta and these facilities.